wrong bike. I gave me Stuart O'Grady's bike. No, what the fuck, man?
Yeah.
It's just wrong.
Quite a mistake.
That's a big mistake.
Yeah.
From.
You're angry.
Yeah. I'm happy that Fabian won. He deserved it, but we could do better from the mechanical point of view from my team. You know, it sounds rough, but it's just mistakes that shouldn't happen. The brake went loose. That happens. Give me the wrong spare bike. That's just not good.
You were probably the strongest on the Koppenberg.
I felt good, but you know, after 2 bike changes, the commissars make barrage, and it was in the final. You know, it's impossible to come back.
Yeah. Now Paris-Roubaix, you can win it, maybe.
For sure, I'm going for it.
Okay.
I'm pretty pissed right now, so I think I have a lot of anger to get out.
Right now, this evening there will be champagne for the team. You will drink it with joy or
take my depression a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Good luck. Thanks.
Alleen, hè. Als je helemaal niet voor winnen of hun te brengen, is dat niet, hè.